Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix internet problem in your Samsung smartphone. So let's start the video friends. To fix it, first you have to open your settings. Then friends, you have to click on the search and write here access point name. If you can't found this access point name, you have to click on sim manager. First you have to input a sim. You can see it is showing no sim card here. So first you have to insert one sim card, then click on the sim like sim 1 or sim 2. Click on that and it will be showing access point name. When it shows, you have to tap on it, click on three dots and reset it to the default. This will reset your internet connection, and after that you have to open this air flight mode for 10 seconds and just turn it off. It will refresh your internet connection, and this is how you can fix your internet problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.